Hey, you gotta stay in here, don't you?
Oh, no, outside too. Wait a minute, Gregory, get over there and hold your own basket.
I got a trick out of this.
No, get over here and hold your own basket.
Where'd you go?
So much for staying together, team.
Stay together. Keep right away.
You guys might want to go ahead and head out here. There's not that many in there, so.
To where she knows they are. How does she know they are? Because as soon as you...
Yeah, that whole staying together thing didn't work out very well. Some teams stayed together, some teams split apart.
There's a couple on the patio.
Is there?
Gregory.
Are they fighting over it?
I think so. I hear Gregory. I will not lose. I will not lose. It's the oldest brother syndrome, you know.
I know, but...
Oh, Becca's warm.
What? Oh, she's warm.
You were warm again.
Ooh.
Becca.
Look at that.
Becca, you're real warm.
Becca.
It's probably straight up somewhere. It's probably over there, actually.
It's so close. Both grandpas.
Go to tomatoes and shit, huh? Tomatoes and...
Lauren. Hi, sweetheart.
Look at her. She's like a happy little girl.
I'm memory
The garage is off limits. They're out. They're in our yard. Some of them are easy to see. Some of them maybe not.
Hey, hold it!
Can you put one more up there?
Are you kidding me? He's so competitive.
He's climbing up to get these
Hey, send him a parachute guy. He doesn't even care.
Why getting these? I thought
Steven, you would.
Oh, he's so funny.
Oh my God. He's been doing it for years.
Did they find it?
Oh my God.
They found it.
Did that hurt?
Who got it?
Who got it?
Mike, I think.
Look, yeah. Chris was looking up there, too. Nice there, huh? What was that?
They were up in the tree. I know. That's what Steven was doing over there. He was climbing the tree. Gregory said, look straight up.
Lauren. Pretty girl. So she'll cry.
Thanks.
Oh, Lauren. She's just like,
Leave it there, Mike. I'll get it.
she's like, I'm not going to look at you because you have a camera in your hand.
I got like 8. Man, you pulled my pacifier.
Unplug me.
Have we got them all?
There's still a couple on the patio.
I have 18.
This is next.
Frank says there's still a couple on the patio.
You know?
Put it on your thing.
Yeah, but I don't have enough.
You got more than 18, sorry.